Lately, not so present now. Not enough for your constant frown. I've got time, but you're tired of waiting. You only want me in open spaces. I'll fill your gaps with people. I know no one's so lonely. Trying to be yours. Out beyond the reaches, rare is the blood moon you show, then cover up the tracks. And through the thinning branches, I watch your tail lights turn and wonder if you're ever coming back. I am my father's daughter, come hell or high water. Trouble came to find you, shadowed into every word and deed till it got you in its spell. They asked if I had seen you, but I've got no truck with men like them, they can go to hell. I am my father's daughter, come hell or high water. Never gonna leave him, despite the rights or wrongs. I've got you and I hope that you know. I am my father's daughter, come hell or high water. Never gonna leave him, despite the rights or